Hi there. Today we are going to learn how to save a recipient address in 2Ship. Here's how you can save a recipient address in the ship screen. On the left side of the shipping screen, look for the recipient column. Next to recipient, you'll see a field labeled Recipient ID. Enter the recipient ID you want for the address. Fill in the required fields: address, company, contact person, email address, and telephone number. The phone number is mandatory. These fields are editable, so you can update the recipient details as needed. If your shipment is going to a residential address, turn on the residential button at the bottom of the recipient field. Once you've finished entering the recipient address, and it's different from what's pre-populated, and you want to save these changes to your address book, enable the Save, Update, and Address Book button. After you ship the order, your edited recipient address will be saved to the address book. For future shipments, just click on Recipient ID, select the ID you want, and continue with your shipment. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@2ship.com.